Cockatiels preening. They are best. Shaw, you're ruining the fun time. As we come closer and closer and closer and closer
Paulie.
and closer.
It's cute.
And
I can see Paulie's skin.
And closer and closer and closer. So close! Your face is so big.
Do Paulie.
As we come
Closer.
as we come closer and closer and closer and closer and closer. Look, they're preening. And it's always the second days that they start preening each other and liking each other.
I know.
And they're next to each other. They even touch each other.
Cherry preening herself again, as she always does. Now Cherry preening Paulie again, because Paulie got close to her.
Now they're friends. Is she preening Paulie's stomach?
And even, no, she's preening her own.
Here, you do
herself.
it so you can see the front. Here. Cherry!
And closer. And now we see Cherry's big face. And Paulie's big face. Isn't that true, Paulie? So big.
So nice and so...
You have been hypnotized. And now you go under the name as...
Wazery.
Paulie has been hypnotized. And now he goes under the name
Hey,
as Paulie.
You're gonna hypnotize them. See, we already hypnotized them. So now they'll do preen each other. See? They're hypnotized. Preen each other. Preen yourself, Cherry. Paulie, stare. Preen. Keep preening. Stop preening. Now preen under the feather, Cherry. Keep preening. Now preen. Just stare. Now preening on the back. Preen. Now stare.